Here's a little video on the medicine kit that I take to the jungle with me. I like to be a little bit prepared. I take some of the Kleenexes from the Red Roof Inn, some moleskin in case I start to get blisters from doing a lot of walking. I take a little thing of bug spray, but I've yet to use it in 10 trips down there. Some sunblock, preferably 50. You do get sunburned down there if you're on the river. I also take bentonite clay and activated carbon capsules to mix together in case I get a bug bite to draw out the venom. I take a life straw and some Q-tips. The life straw is a water purifier. I also take some Band-Aids and a small thing of super glue, and that's in case I cut myself, I can glue it back together. I do generally pick up a few sutures and a scalpel when I'm down there because you can walk in the drugstore and buy them. And then I take some dry rehydration. It's electrolytes, and it's in case I get food poisoning. I also pick up some Cipro and an antiparasitic in case I get food poisoning. I'll be 6 hours from a hospital, so I may as well take some stuff with me. My razor, clippers, lip balm, an assortment of essential oils. I like to take a lot of lavender because, like I said, you do get a lot of sunburn. I take peppermint oil to clear my nose when I'm doing hot bay. But I also take thieves and a small spray bottle. And what I do with the thieves is when I'm going to hostels, I'll peel back the blankets and spray the whole bed with the thieves oil and then throw the blankets back on, spray it again, and if there's any bed bugs in there, it chases them out. I take a little bit of Neosporin, and then I also take washcloths with me. I have yet to see in Peru where I got washcloths with my stay, so I take my own. But just a little bit of advice on what to take medically. You want to have somewhat of a little kit, especially when you're going deeper into the jungle. Have a great day, folks.